everybody, and welcome to Cinema Samosa and Sarcasm. This is the week of Dangal, and first up, let's begin with the sarcasm. Well, there isn't much in this film to be sarcastic about. In fact, there is nothing in this film to be sarcastic about. Dangal is a wholesome family entertainer, and it has all the correct emotions in the correct proportions. In fact, the director has handled a lot of tricky situations with a lot of tact. For example, the problem of the girl child, which is so predominant in our country, he has given it a comedy touch. And also the fact that the father tries to force his dream on his child is very delicately handled. There's a lot of to and fro shown between the husband and the wife, that is between Aamir Khan and Sakshi.
मैं हमेशा ये सोच के रोता रहा कि छोरा होता तो देश के लिए कुश्ती में गोल्ड लाता। यो बात मेरी समझ में ना आई कि गोल्ड तो गोल्ड होता है, छोरा लावे या छोरी।
Apart from the fact that Dangal is based on real life characters, it also has a very realistic feel to it. At no point do you actually feel like you're watching a film. There are no larger than life or unexpected scenes in this film. In fact, in the climax, you keep waiting for Aamir Khan to break down that door, but it doesn't happen. The performances in Dangal from the entire star cast are beyond brilliant. From Aamir Khan, of course, it's expected. Sakshi in her limited scenes is good. The two girls, Geeta and Babita, played by Fatima and Sania, are good too. In fact, their younger versions, Zaira and Suhani, are much better.
शुरुआत इन्ना करी थी पापा मना कुतिया कह रहा था बबीता ना कमीनी हम ना भी दिए दो चार.
The first time director Nitish Tiwari narrated the script to Aamir Khan, he of course loved the script but suggested that he would like to do the film at least 10 years later when he is naturally 55 years old. But then he changed his mind, and thank God for that. He started shooting for the film in 2014. The social message in Dangal that the girl child can achieve anything and is no less than a boy is important and relevant in today's times in our country. And it is great that a star like Aamir Khan is endorsing that message.
मुझे एक बात हमेशा याद रखना बेटा, अगर सिल्वर जीती तो आज नहीं तो कल लोग तन्ने भूल जाएंगे, गोल्ड जीती तो मिसाल बन जाएगी, और मिसालें दी जाती हैं बेटा, भूली नहीं जाती.
Salman Khan tweeted about the film that he loves Aamir personally but hates him professionally because Salman's family saw the film and they thought Dangal was much better than Sultan. Well, I would like to tell Mr. Salman Khan that there is really no comparison between him and Aamir Khan. Yes, both the films are based on wrestling, and Dangal gives you a more technical know-how about the game, but Sultan was all about Sultan and his ups and downs. Salman, according to me, made a better wrestler, and we could all see the physical torture he went through during the shooting of Sultan. We all remember the comment he made, but let's not go down that path. Aamir Khan as a wrestler does leave an impact, especially the first scene where you see him pick up a fight in the middle of his office, but the best scene in the film is the phone conversation he has with his daughter when not even a single word is spoken. Preetham's music is just about okay, but do not miss the end credits where Aamir Khan's version of the title track plays out and you get to see the star Aamir Khan. The real hero of the film, according to me, is the director Nitish Tiwari. I remember enjoying his chiller party a lot too, but with Dangal, he's up there on the map. Do I still need to say more? Do watch Dangal this year for sure. It's a clean, wholesome family entertainer. So this festive season, go with your family, friends, loved ones, or even strangers and enjoy the film. Happy holidays to you. I'll see you next year at the movies.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from BBD Television.